All right, so I've been looking for a big green egg farmhouse table for a while, and I couldn't find one anywhere that was still boxed. So I was able to find one, and looking online, I couldn't figure out what actually came in the box. So this is going to just be an unboxing of an actual big green egg farmhouse table for an XL egg, and actually see what it's like when you unbox it. Online it says it possibly comes with casters, and I don't know that for sure, so I didn't want to go ahead and buy them already. So now I'm going to unbox it, see what it comes with, do a quick walkthrough, and then I will get it all set up. Cut the straps off here. There's that. And we're going to go ahead and unbox this thing. So let's see what this thing actually looks like when you're not buying it off the showroom floor. So there's that part. Let's see if we can get the top up. Alright, so that is at least the table. So it's kind of coming into focus here. And so this is it. I'm just going to move this a bit. So corners cover, it's all wrapped up. Let's see what this thing looks like once we actually get it fully unboxed. Thick. Alright, so there it is. That is what it looks like when it comes straight out of the box, when no one else has unboxed it. We'll take a kind of a close-up view here. So these are zip tied on there and down there, so we'll give those a cut and see what's behind those. Same thing with this one. And we'll actually see what this thing comes with compared to what the box says. So, back down in here, that guy, that guy. So this is going to be what it comes with. It looks like the stainless steel bottoms are all covered. And then you got a box of, I'm guessing, just hardware, so it obviously does not come with casters like it possibly said on the online part. I'm guessing when they say casters, they just mean leveling feet. So that is a big green egg farmhouse table that has been unboxed. You guys can see the inside. It's the shelf on the side. That's the shelf over here. This goes all the way through, so there is no divider plate there. There's the top, right? This is a 53-inch farmhouse table. Big green egg emblem there. So I'm gonna get this thing off of this this pallet, and then I'll go ahead and get the door handles attached and everything else, peel off all the linings, and take it from there.